Hey guys, in this video I just wanted to show you how the winch is mounted. We all know the specs, so I'm not going to bore you with that. It is a quality installation. You can see the braces over there. This is obviously your plug for the remotes. Now notice that it's recessed and far away from the fair lead, unlike the Ford design. There's some rope stuck over there. I've already used the winch a bunch of times and it works well. Under there you can see your free spool lever. Obviously up is that it's locked, down is a free spool. Now I'm not going to be able to push it back up because you have to retract the winch a little bit to unlock it, to actually lock it back up. But more importantly, let's go take a look underneath and see how well it's mounted. There's that brace we're going to see in a second. Now, one thing that surprised me, just how much room and easy access there is to this winch. There's just a ton of room left, right, under, front, back, everywhere. This is basically the brace you can see. Now you can see the brace is extending into that hole through the bumper. So the winch actually has literally nothing to do with the bumper. Essentially it has this bulge on the brace that comes out and becomes the fair lead. There you can see the left bracket, you can see the cables, the way they're nicely wrapped and connected. So it's actually properly installed. There's the box with everything to control. Also looks like it's completely sealed, so I'm assuming it can pretty much go underwater. There on the right side, you can see the right brace, and I'm going to go over the top so you can see the back of that lever. Again, notice how it's designed to be recessed and out of the way, unlike that new Ford design where everything is up front and vulnerable. In any case, moving along to the remotes now. Here you go. This is basically the remote that comes with the truck. It's a wired remote. It has, I believe, a 10-foot cable or a 12-foot cable with a plug. It has a few little instructions on there how to use it properly as far as the winch. This is your wireless remote kit you can get for 50 bucks. I highly recommend it. It's very useful. You simply plug this guy into the plug, hold the buttons on the remote, and you're ready to winch.